everyone get everything right? Okay, let's go now. Let's go. What?
Did you unplug the coffee machine?
Yeah, honey.
The microwave?
Yeah.
Did you close all the windows?
Yes, honey.
Okay, did you lock the door?
Yes.
Okay, did you let the cat out?
Yes.
Did you lock the door again after you let the cat out?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Did you at least unplug the toaster?
Yeah, yes, honey. I've unlocked the toaster. I have unplugged everything. I've unplugged everything. Can we go on vacation now?
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Okay. Wait!
What?
I gotta go pee.
Oh, all right.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Okay, good.
I am ready for this vacation to start right now. Let's go!
All right, yeah. Somehow I just don't believe her.
Honey, let's go.
Okay, here we go.
Who's ready to go on a road trip? Road trip!
What? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? No, we just left the driveway like 5 minutes ago. Get it right. Okay, I just want to be informed. Okay. But seriously, are we there yet?
All right, gang, we're in Chilliwack.
Wait, Chilliwack? What do you mean with the corn? Like Chilliwack corn? Man, I love Chilliwack corn. Guys, we need to pull over. I need the corn. Give me the. Do you have corn? Hey, let's pull over. Wait, why are we pulling over? Someone, tell me, why are we not pulling over for corn? But yet we pulled over for coffee.
Okay, so which hope exit do I want to take?
Hey guys, that's coming up is Hell's Gate. Check it out.
Hey, Mom, can we stop at Hell's Gate, please?
Sorry, we're on a tight schedule. No can do.
Oh, I did not want to stop at a place with the name Hell on it. What a relief. Sarah, are we there yet? We've been in here forever. No, it's only the first day. Are we there yet? Jaden, are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? How about you? Are we there yet? We're there yet?
I think we just stay on this highway all the way through town, right? Now we're like turn off 2 kilometers. Good. Road trip.
Stop it, Jaden.
Hey, we made it to Burgerville.
Yay! Oh, look at the fire station. Can we go in the buildings?
Yes.
Let's go into some buildings. Oh, I see the schoolhouse is over there. There's the church.
As we settle in for Joe Chicken says a prayer.
Everybody rise for the prayer chord.
All hail corn.
All hail corn.
All hail corn.
Love the corn.
Love the corn.
Praise the corn.
Praise the corn. Amen.
Eat the corn.
Eat the corn. This is kind of sad.
Alright.
I was going to say, I think we're going to turn it into a religious cult here. We went to Barkersville and we turned into a cult.
Okay, exactly.
Alright, that was the church. Well,
Alright, Joe. Draw. Joe, where are you going? Joe! Hey, isn't this cool, Joe? In the Barkerville Cemetery. You know, I've heard a lot of ghost stories about this place. What? Ghost stories? That's it, I'm out of here.
wagon trail.
On the Oregon Trail.
Hey, Joe. How you doing there?
I'm
Going
all dirty. I fell in dirt.
Well, you are in the west there, Joey. You're gonna get dirty once in a while.
I hate her.
Look at that.
Oh, he took a turn. Oh, he made another turn. How many turns does this guy make? Enjoy that ice cream.
See you in a month!
Goodbye, weirdo. Goodbye, old man. Goodbye.
We're in Alberta. Wild Rose country.
Yay, Alberta! We're in Alberta, guys! Yay!
Where is Alberta?
Welcome, Alberta, guys!
It's another state.
Province.
Country.
Province.
Quit it. No, what? Quit it. Quit it. No, no. I'm having a fight with Stuffy. What? Are we there yet? No. What? Are we there yet? No. Mom, can we pull over?
Yeah, I need to get gas.
I thought that was a reasonable question.
Lobby?
Yes, please. Let's go down to the lobby. All right, who's already doing the West Edmonton Mall? Woo! Let's do it!
This is a really small mall. So, this is the elevator. Oh.
Did you actually film it?
Yeah, I did.
What?
Hey, Joe.
What's cool in a mall?
I waste my days where I don't belong. How many times I lied to you?
Hey Joe, let's go check out the water park. I'm a chicken, not a duck.
Milk, honey, won't stay.
All right, Joe, we're going into the Calgary Stampede. What do you say about that? Can I get a hoo-ha?
Pretty okay.
Is that the Star Wars soundtrack right here?
Calgary Stampede! Are you ready for the Calgary Stampede?
Hey Joe, a plush toy donation bin. Let's put you in. No! No! Oh God, no! No! What are you crazy? No!
All right, the Calgary Saddle Dome. At least it's not flooded anymore. Hey, Joe, can you say hee-haw?
Yeehaw!
Welcome to the Calgary Stampede.
I got cheese! Whoa, look at those lambs. They're naked. Oh!
Want to get a haircut?
No! I want to be naked. I don't want to be naked. I don't want to be like them. They're so... Is that blue? No, what is it? I am so intrigued.
Come on, push up. I had a feeling there was something.
Ready, Joe?
What's happening? Oh my God, this is amazing. Nothing is even happening right now. bones, tell a story, shake and stones. Dinosaur track, dinosaur bones, tell a story, shake and stones. Tell the story, shake and stones. A dinosaur tracks, a dinosaur bones, tell the story, shake and stones. Tell the story.
I think it's T-Rex.
Look, it's Uncle Fred from
Uncle Fred. Oh yeah. Allosaurus.
He had big bones. And he ate meat. We are not alike. A stepping stone.
Hey, Dad, are we going home now?
Yeah, we're heading home now, guys. What do you think of that tour? Hey, that's pretty good. Yeah, we got about an 8-hour drive back home. So buckle up and enjoy the ride.
Are we there yet?
Really?
Do you want to go back in the trunk? No, we don't. Are we there yet? Yes, we're there. Really? No.
Okay, guys.
Okay, so we stopped for fruit, but not for corn? Seriously? Corn? Give me that! Oh my goodness, it's beautiful! Yeah! Put that down. Corn.
Okay, move out of the way. I gotta go pee. Get out of the way.
Here, I'll get the doors, everyone. Thank you. I'm done. I'm gonna unpack tomorrow. We'll unpack tomorrow, guys. I'm done.
What? We're home? How come no one told me? Really? How many times do I have to ask? Are we there yet? Apparently, not enough. Hello? Anyone out there? Hello? Let me out. Hello? Chicken needs out. No, never mind. Savannah forgot to film it, so this is really sad. So we have to do it again. Not looking forward to this. Not one bit. I want to go to bed and I want to watch some TV. So now we gotta do it again.
How can you do both?
Both of what?
How can you sleep first then watch TV also?
Brain magic.